All-nighter.
Finishing up.
All-nighter bathroom sesh.
A couple days.
Smart car gang. Yeah, this thing's probably gonna stank a little bit. I never really got it up to like operating temperature yet.
Ah. It's fine.
Yeah, that's torquey.
Mm-hmm.
That's torquey.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta for the underpass.
Oh, of course.
Wow. Well, it definitely got the pops and gurgles from the tune.
That it did.
Yeah, and like the dual clutch, it just falls right into the next gear. Oh my gosh. Like, yeah, I'm a stick shift guy, but yeah, if it's the V10, it's like, all right, yeah, I guess the auto's all right. Yeah, I gotta say, with valves closed, this is like pretty streetable.
Yeah,
pretty streetable. But yeah, like it sounds great. Like it doesn't drone. Like, I mean, I'm sure it was a lot of work to put it in, but you know, like it's got like the label tags you can see through the bars. Like everything looks fresh. The tips lined up great.
Yeah.
All right, I want to hit the on-ramp, but I don't want to get stuck behind some boner. So like, yeah, I'm just gonna
take your time, dude.
go real slow.
Sounds so good. I like that the gurgles aren't obnoxious. It's
Yeah.
just a little bit. You're like, yep, I got it.
Like it doesn't have like the fake like turbo gurgles.
Exactly.
It's just pure, just raw fuel. That's the sound of bad gas mileage right there.
What's it say? 12?
Yeah, but that's over the last 9,500 miles. I don't think it's ever been reset. All right, I'm gonna see if I can hang on to the back of this Integra. I think it might be pulling away. Wow. It's like you don't even need a radio in this thing. It sounds so good.
Yeah. No, and with both windows open.
Yeah.
Like it's not obnoxious. No.
Well, that doesn't get old.
Oh no.
Definitely better with the windows open.
Of course. Of course. But just the point is just being it's very streetable, even like
Yep. And valves closed to keep the neighbors happy.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
Till DJ pulls out.
Yeah, like it'll just be like, you know, Rob and I'll go and leave for lunch, and Peter will just be like staring out the window, and here's Rob just like straight up rally racing like out of the entrance. I'm just like, come on, dude.